1 Corinthians 6:19-20, your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit who lives in you. So you must honor God with your body. And may I add, you must honor God in your body and what you do with your body. Kaya kailangan ng tao nag-o-observe siya ng enough sleep. Science tells us na maraming napapalang mabuti ang katawan kung maagang natutulog. Sleep is very important. Isalin nyo yan sa important activities nyo, sleep. Hindi yun pagsasayang ng panahon. Kasi pag natutulog ang tao, nakaka-recover ang katawan niya, yung health niya, yung mind, yung kanyang thought, at mas nagiging handa siya to be active the following day. 1 Timothy 4:8, physical training is good. So whatever training you need, do it. Yung iba nag-gym, yung iba nag-take a walk, yung iba naggagawa ng